To get mastery over a language is a difficult task, and it needs much more practice to acquire the skills of a language. It is also applicable for the acquisition of English language. Translation is a branch, and it is also an important branch of acquisition of a language. Everything. For non-native speakers, it is required to practice a lot in order to acquire the skills of languages. So, I may suggest that the non-native speakers should practice all the skills to acquire all the skills of languages, and they should practice translation in order to needs practice. As it is said that practice maketh a man perfect, and everything is not possible in a day. As it is said that Rome was not built in a day. So, let's practice and be the master of the language.
आसंतु ओडियारू इंग्राजी ट्रांसलेशन शिखी नेबा। टीचर मिस्टर कनिष्क कुमार दास, एमफिल इन इंग्लिश, बीएड, पीजीडीसीए, कोविद एंड ग्रेजुएशन इन म्यूजिक। एही वीडियो लेसन रे 10टी ट्रांसलेशन प्रदान करा जाइछि। एगुडिक सबु इनोवेटिव ट्रांसलेशन। आसंतु फटाफट शिखी नेबा। स्थान अभावरु आधुनिक मानव घरे पाठागार नाही। Modern men don't have a library at home because of lack of space. से कला और साहित्यरु आनंद पाइबा संपूर्ण बंद करि देइछि। He has altogether ceased to have pleasure from art and literature. से सबुबेले किछि छोट वॉल्यूम चाहूछि जहाँ से विरति रे पाइबा कुथिबा टिकिए अवसर पाई यथेष्ट हेबो। He always wants some smaller volumes which would be just enough for the little leisure he gets at intervals. तांको आवश्यकता पूरण पाई एबे बहु संख्यक सामयिक पत्रिका, विविध लेखा संबलित सामयिक पत्रिका एवं सामयिक पत्रिका प्रकाशित हेउछि। In order to cater to his need, a large number of periodicals, magazines and journals are being published now. विभिन्न प्रासंगिक एवं समसामयिक आग्रहर लेखा प्रकाश करिवा सहित एमाने पाठक मानक आनंद पाई अनेक छोट कहानी मध्य प्रकाश करंती। Besides publishing various articles of topical and contemporary interest, these also publish a number of short stories for the delight of the readers. एही विविध लेखा संबलित सामयिक पत्रिका एवं सामयिक पत्रिका गुड़िक सस्ता एवं पाठक मानक सहज पहुंचरे उपलब्ध। These magazines and periodicals are both cheap and at the easy reach of the readers. ସେମାନେ ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ରେଳ ଷ୍ଟେସନରେ କିଣିପାରିବେ. They can purchase them at the railway station. ସେମାନେ ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ବସ୍ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡରେ କିଣିପାରିବେ. They can purchase them at the bus stand. ସେମାନେ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଯାତ୍ରା ସମୟରେ ସେଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ପଢ଼ିପାରିବେ. They can go through them during their journey. ଏହି କ୍ଷୁଦ୍ର ଗଳ୍ପଟି ଏତେ ସାମ୍ପ୍ରତିକ ନୁହେଁ ଯେତେ ଏହାକୁ ବିବେଚନା କରାଯାଉଛି. The short story is not as recent as it is considered to be. ଏବେ ଏହି ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଲେସନରେ ବ୍ୟବହୃତ କଷ୍ଟ ଶବ୍ଦ ଏବଂ ଫ୍ରେଜ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ିକର ଅର୍ଥ ଜାଣିବା. ମଡର୍ନ ମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଆଧୁନିକ ମାନବ. ପାଠାଗାର ଲାଇବ୍ରେରୀ. ଲ୍ୟାକ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଅଭାବ. ଅଲ୍ଟୁଗେଦର ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ରୂପେ. ଲିଟରେଚର ସାହିତ୍ୟ. ସିଜ୍ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦେବା. ପ୍ଲେଜର ଆନନ୍ଦ. ଭଲ୍ୟୁମ୍ ପରିମାଣ. ଇନାଫ୍ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟାପ୍ତ. ଇଣ୍ଟରଭାଲ ବିରତି. ପିରିୟଡିକାଲ୍ସ ସାମୟିକ ପତ୍ରିକା. ମ୍ୟାଗାଜିନ୍ ବିବିଧ ଲେଖା ସମ୍ବଳିତ ସାମୟିକ ପତ୍ରିକା. ଜର୍ନାଲ ସାମୟିକ ପତ୍ରିକା. ପବ୍ଲିଶ ପ୍ରକାଶ କରିବା. ଅଲସୋ ମଧ୍ୟ. କଣ୍ଟେମ୍ପୋରାରୀ ସମସାମୟିକ. ଡିଲାଇଟ୍ ଆନନ୍ଦ. ଇଜି ରିଚ୍ ସହଜ ପହଞ୍ଚ. ଏହି ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ଲେସନକୁ ବାରମ୍ବାର ଚଲାଇ ଅଭ୍ୟାସ କରନ୍ତୁ ଓ ଇଂରାଜୀ ଶିଖନ୍ତୁ. ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ.